In today's video, we're going to have a look at when it's worth investing in paid resources for Facebook ads. This could be things like online training, courses, and coaching. Hey everybody, Stuart Macadam here, and I'm the founder of Macadam Marketing. Just before we get started with today's video, please don't forget to smash that like button down below and consider subscribing if you're new. That way, you'll get up-to-date, actionable Facebook ads and marketing advice, tips, and tutorials. Okay, let's get straight into it. When is it worth investing in paid resources? Well, I would recommend it if your business has seen a noticeable drop in performance and the free resources available on the internet and just don't properly address why this is happening. Ads that just stop performing one day is any business's worst nightmare. So fixing this may require a consultant or coach or paid group where you can get instant answers to your questions. Could be a very helpful way to address the problem straight away and get your ads back up and running as soon as possible at the level which they were before. I'd also recommend paid resources if the person teaching it has a proven track record in your business industry. And by your industry, I mean your business niche. If they're selling a course about getting more real estate leads with Facebook ads, how to improve e-commerce sales, and they've got a huge number of case studies they can back it up with, or show experience or past results of success from their own business, then it's definitely someone who may be worth investing in to really give your business the edge. Paid Facebook ads, courses, and resources are also fantastic if you're looking to scale your ads up. And one of the biggest struggles businesses with 6, 7, 8-figure advertising budgets have right now is keeping their cost per lead and sale competitive enough to stay profitable. Because the higher up you go with ad spend, the harder it is to stay there, because your initial interest from people that are early adopters will have happened. You will have captured a large chunk of the market by that stage as well. And you're going to be going after people who are going to need some more convincing. Finally, I'd recommend paid resources and courses if you're looking to shake things up a bit. Because yes, everybody works a little differently. And if you let yourself get into a rut of doing things a particular way, you could be missing out on bigger, better opportunities that you don't yet know about. A couple of years ago, I invested in getting one-to-one coaching with a Facebook advertising expert who identified a bit of a roadmap to counter a really big problem which the company I was working at had. And he said, Stuart, the big thing you need to work on is making the business more interactive. Running ads that encourage interaction, not just ads that are selling to people. And by engaging an expert, I was able to get a different perspective that was really able to give a bit of extra momentum and a bit of an extra push that the company's advertising structure on Facebook needed to go to the next level. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful as you look at growing your Facebook ads performance and build and grow your business to the next level. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.